Welcome to Teleleaf, the premier online telemedicine clinic for medical cannabis in Arkansas. At Teleleaf, we bridge the gap between patients and qualified doctors, offering same-day access. The process is seamless and straightforward. The first step is to fill out your medical intake form online. Step 2 is engage in a consultation with our expert doctors over the phone. And Step 3, get access to your medicine. Don't worry about getting approved. The approval process is very easy. Also with Teleleaf, there's a money-back guarantee if for some reason you are not approved. It is necessary to meet one of the qualifying conditions to get approved. Visit teleleaf.com or look in the description below to see the full list. Once you are approved in Arkansas, you will need to visit the Department of Health website to apply for your medical cannabis card. Ensure that you submit the completed certification that you received from your physician. You will also need to provide a valid state ID and pay a $50 application fee. Once at the dispensary, you will work hand in hand with a professional cannabis bud tender, from selecting the right product to understanding its effects and how to dose it properly. In Arkansas, dispensaries offer various cannabis products to cater to your needs. They sell flower, edibles, tinctures, extracts, vapes, and suppositories. Always consult with your bud tender for the most suitable products for your condition. When you visit the dispensary in Arkansas, ensure you have your government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport, and your approved medical cannabis card for purchase and verification. Thank you for visiting Teleleaf, where life change begins. We are your easy access to medical cannabis in Arkansas. Begin your journey with us today.